Hey y'all, it's me and I'm back here with another video for y'all. As y'all can see, it's over this cute look. Alright, and if y'all like my hair, let me know down below so I can show y'all how I did my hair. Alright, y'all wanna see? Alright, so first I'm gonna start on my foundation and primer. I'm gonna prime with my hard candy. Then I'm going in with my 240 Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And with my concealer in the color Sand from Maybelline. I'm gonna take this shade. My highlighter and put some on. First, I'm gonna spray my face though. Now I'm about to just do my under eye. I'm gonna put some now I'm put some liner under my eye. Do a spray. Alright y'all, so here's the final look. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next time in the next video.